On December 14, 2024, Government Boys Primary School No. 5, Landhi Town, successfully organized a Yellow Color Day alongside Scouts and Professional Athletics Games activities, in collaboration with SPWA and Human Rights organizations. The event was graced by Mr. Nasir Imran, Vice Chairman of Landhi Town, as the chief guest. Distinguished guests included Mr. Waheed, Mr. Syed Faisal Qamar, social worker, Madam Sajida Rizvi Social Activist, Shahzad Shaikh President of SPWA, and Madam Nazia Naeem Director Women Sports Wing of Human Rights Defender. Sports Coordinator Bisma and Scout Leader Khizar also made notable contributions to the program. IBA Headmaster Mr. Rahil Jafri emphasized the importance of co-curricular activities in fostering student development. Chief Organizer Mr. Nasir Imran Bukhshi highlighted the role of sports, scouting, and athletics in nurturing discipline, teamwork, and character among students. Prominent participants, including Shahzad Shaikh, Syed Faisal Qamar, Madam Sajida Rizvi, and others, reiterated their dedication to supporting such initiatives through physical, social, and technical contributions. The event received appreciation from parents and guests, who praised the school's efforts in promoting community-focused educational programs.
सारे साथ करेंगे 1 2 1 2 3 1 2 1 2 3 सारे करें।
In his closing remarks, Mr. Rahil Jafri expressed heartfelt gratitude to all attendees and contributors. He attributed the event's success to Allah's blessings and the support of educational officers, particularly TEO and DEO Primary Madam Saviba of District Karanji. Report by Asian Times Meta ATM. NIB.